Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today in this video we are going to see how you can code in one line for various tasks that used to take a lot of number of lines of codes. So let's begin. The first one, if you want to deduplicate a list, there are various ways to do it. You can do it with a loop, you can do it various other tools, but here I am going to show you just one line of code. So for example, I just create a list and then I'll put all the elements of this list into a set like this, and then I'll convert it back to a list. So this will convert it into a list again. So what the set is doing, it will only take the unique values in the complete list elements. So it will automatically deduplicate the elements, and let's execute it. So I get a list with all the unique values in the list. So let us now move on to next task that we can do it in one line. So here is a task that creates a list of even numbers. You can have a different task, but it could be a similar kind of line of codes in it, and we want to do it in one liner. So this of course runs a for loop and of course does the required output, but we want it to be in one liner. So how we can do it? We can do it using the list comprehension, which is like, say for example, I want even, which should be, let's say, even new, and I'll create a list, and inside the list I will type I for I in range 11 if I mod 2 is 0. That's it. And then I'll execute it, and I get a list with all the even numbers with even new. So there is another set of codes that are in multiple lines. If you want to do squaring of the list elements, just like the list of even that we got earlier, we can do this in this fashion as well. So let's name it new, and I execute it. Of course we are getting the square of all the numbers, but there is another better way using map and lambda. So let's see how we can do it. So first we are going to name it even square new is. Now I'm going to type, first I'm going to give it a list, then I'm going to type map, and then I'm going to give my lambda function. Lambda x is x square, and to which list elements I want to do it? I want to do it for even new. So this will give me square of all the even numbers that we have collected previously, and it does my job pretty efficiently in one line. Now let us see how we can join the two lists. Now there are ways, like for example, we can join, if I want to join even new with even square new, so I will just type even square new, and I can save it Eve, and I get it. But for example, I don't want to use this. Alternatively, I can use the extend feature as well. So I'll just copy this, and then I'll just use the extend feature, and remember, we don't need to instantiate it or save it. It will automatically be saved in the even new, so whichever is the first list, it will be added into it. So I'll just execute it, and we see even new, and we get that extended because it was added earlier, so it got added once again. So this is how this extend feature works. Now let us see how we can give this particular piece of code into one line. So it is, what it is doing is, it is just giving the number of wheels as the input, and it gives whether it's a car or it's not a car. So it's a if and else statement, but I can do it in one liner. How? Let's see. So I will type print car if number of wheels is 4, else print not a car, and I execute it, and I get the same result. If I change the values, say for example it's 2, it's not a car, it's working fine. So we can do it in one line for this if and else statement as well in this format. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll upload more interesting and cool videos like these. See you in the next video. Bye.